In this video, we'll take a look at how we can add media to our posts and pages. And the first thing I want to do is introduce you to our media library. And of course, there's nothing in there because we haven't added any media, so we're just going to select Add New. And what the media library does is it stores all media that you upload directly to your WordPress site, and you can put media in here to either use in your posts and pages, or media to be downloaded by your users or visitors. So as you can see here, it says you can simply drop files here, drag and drop files, or select files, and below here it gives you a maximum upload file size of 8 megabytes. Now if you have files that are larger than 8 megabytes, you'd have to use some alternative method of putting it on your site, such as FTP or file transfer protocol. But we'll take a look at that in a different video. But so now we're going to keep the files simple. So I have some files here on my desktop video, so I'll just drag that in. Also document, and I've dropped those two files, but let me just go back in so you can see that you can also select the files, and they're on my desktop. So I've already added the video and PDF, so I just want to add an image, and I think I got there. Have the PDF. Oh, there you go. So I actually added. So from here, from the screen, you have the option to do some editing. Now, let's start with the image. Now, if you select Edit, take it to another screen, and you can see our image. Now, I plan to use this image for our About Me page, and there are a couple of things that I need to take note of here. One of the things that happens when you upload the media to your media library is that an attachment page will be created. So if you click View Attachment Page, then there's a standalone page on WordPress that has your media. And in this case, it's an image, so it's being displayed. But for some of your media, such as a Word document, then what would happen is you just see a link. Excuse me, and if you select that link, you'll be able to download it. Go back to our edit page, and of course an image, so you have the option to add a caption, which would appear below the image. So if it's an About Me image, then you could just put my name, and the alternative text is really for search engine optimization. Search engines can't read images, they basically only read text. So because it doesn't know what your image is about, then this alternative text just lets the search engine know that this is an image of you, and basically just lets it know what the image is all about. And on the right hand side here, you just have some additional information about the image, the dimensions, but in this field here is a direct link to the image. Okay, so if you were to copy and paste in a new tab, then you would see our image. There you go. Okay, so this video is getting a bit long, so let me pause here and we'll pick up in another video.